What's happening everyone, and welcome to Everything STC. In today's video, I'll be going over how I gained nearly 10% increase on some of my Bitcoin holdings in 2 weeks without having to do anything. But first, let's go over how I came across this amazing system which I'm still testing but quite excited about based on the results I'm currently getting. So a couple of weeks ago, I was having a conversation with a friend of mine about the current transition we're witnessing from regular currency to cryptocurrency. It seems like everybody from their grandmas to governments to banks to major investors and the general public are starting to take cryptos really serious. He said to me he wouldn't even know where to start if he was to get involved because there seems to always be a new cryptocurrency out every other day. He told me about this one he came across which involves the use of AI in trading, and he thought it was too good to be true. Now, me being someone who has only invested in Bitcoin during its early days and no other cryptocurrency other than one, I said to him I probably think it's just another shitcoin, but my curiosity was starving to find out more about this so-called AI coin. He sent me a link to the website which I'll leave in the description box below. Anyway, I took a look and basically found out that this wasn't actually another cryptocurrency but a cryptocurrency trading platform that provides its users with advanced artificial intelligence trading bots. To be honest, I wasn't immediately all that impressed because in my 4+ years of trading the forex markets, I've come across so many robots that promise to give you exponential returns with no verified proof, only for your account to end up in a drawdown and ultimately wiping out most of your account balance. But what caught my attention here was the live trading results these robots were showing with very little drawdown. If you know anything about trading and investing, you know that verifying track records is very important. Although past result isn't a guarantee of future profits, it's a very good measuring tool. So what I did was I picked the top trading robot on the platform, which has an impressive 73% return in just 9 months, averaging a monthly ROI of 7.5% with over 290 trades. I wanted to find out what my ultimate drawdown on my account would be if I were to implement this trading robot, and the most consecutive losing trades it had was 4 losing trades with a max drawdown of 2.6% or 2.67% to be precise. Just to put things in perspective, in order to get a return of 73%, you would have only risked less than 3% of your total account balance without having to do anything. To make this a bit clearer, basically, if you invested $100, you would have made $73 on top of your initial $100 while only risking less than 3%. If you invested $1,000, you would have made $730 on top of your initial $1,000 while only risking $30. And if you invested $10,000, you would have made back $7,300, risking only $300 of your account. This definitely made it easy for me to comprehend how they've been able to generate a total of over 800,000 in profits for their users. If that isn't impressive, then I don't know what is. After seeing those figures, I decided to fund my account with $100 so I can live test this AI robot, and after about 14 days, I had a return of 3.4% strictly of the robot, but when coupled with the increase in Bitcoin price, my overall gain was at 9%. Let that sink in. Obviously 14 days is too early to determine a long-term reliable and profitable strategy, but so far it seems to be sticking to the results shown from the last 8 months, so I'm quite excited to see how this will look a month, 5 months from now. If the results continue to be positive, I will definitely keep funding my account and slowly build up my investment as I build trust in this fully automated system. And I will do my best to make sure I keep you guys posted with my results. The most impressive thing about all of this is you don't need years of trading experience under your belt. You don't need to analyze the charts for hours on end. You don't need to receive signals from a signal provider or pay thousands for a trading course, which many of people have done, and they're still not getting the trading results they hoped for. All you have to do is access the trading robot and let it do the trading for you, allowing you to use your time for more important things. Although artificial intelligence has been around for some time, especially within hedge funds and big banking institutions, I believe what we're witnessing here is the introduction of AI in the financial markets for the average investor or the average person at a very affordable price. Well, that'll be all for this video. If you like this content and would like to see more or follow my journey using Smart Trade Coin, smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.